Hi folks, my name is Fred. Welcome to my shop. It's a Monday morning in mid-April 2019, and I just returned from my weekly visit to the recycle center in our town. And I thought I would share with you the score I got today. In trying to promote you fellas to go out to build a working relationship with your recycler, metal recycler, they can really help you out. Here are 5 pieces of brass tubing, 2-inch by 10-inch, really nice condition. Here are 3 rods, brass rods. We got 3/8, 5/16, and 1/4 inch. Still have the tags on. 3 feet long, and only an inch or so has been chopped off this one. Got a pair of aluminum bars. They are 3.5 by 1 by a foot. One's a little worse for wear than the other, but hey, if I need to mill something down, I can mill it out of that. And then the score of the day, of the week, is this fella right here. It's a relatively old weather vane. It does not have the main shaft in it, the vertical shaft, nor the base, but all the pieces at the top are here. Here's the sentinels of the compass, north, south, east, west. A couple of spacer balls to kind of give it some classy look, and then this 3-dimensional copper ship. It's a schooner, or the reproduction of a schooner. The fella that I normally deal with knew I was in the Coast Guard and I liked sailing and anything water related, so he saved that for me. I really, that was really nice of him. So I would encourage you to, if you want a cheap source or inexpensive source of materials, get in contact with your local metal recycler, build a relationship. Every now and then I bring them a dozen of Dunkin' Donuts, which is donuts here in the northeastern United States, very high quality. Great guys, eager to please, and just really, really friendly. So that's it, a short one. Inexpensive source of stock. I have no use for them right now, but you know what? It's going over in the stock bin. It's probably a little dark, but I have aluminum and brass down here. All kinds of all thread, solid rod, brass, copper, steel, and just lots of small pieces. I'm sorry for the dark here, but that's my stock. So I will be making a project out of this fella, building a vertical for it and a base, and so stay tuned. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.